Talk about myself. TAKE.20, July 2025. The hot summer has come, and the cicadas start singing at 4 a.m. I'm Trey Hasegawa. My sleep is still unstable. I often wake up at 1 in the morning and can't get back to sleep after that. So, I end up staying awake until it's time to start working. Or, I sometimes write a novel right after work is finished if I feel like it. Oh well. By the way, it's the season when the sea is beautiful. The other day, I went to a seaside observation deck with my family, including my niece. And although it was hot, the blue sea was truly beautiful. I'm thinking that when she gets a little older, we might be able to go swimming in the sea together. Well, speaking of summer, it's the season of fireworks. The port festival in my town is just around the corner. I can't see the fireworks from my house because of the distance. So, I really want to see them up close near the venue. But there are traffic regulations on the road. I wonder if I would be able to see the fireworks. Fireworks often appear in my novels as well, because I really love them. I hope to visit fireworks festival all over Japan someday. In Japan, during the Edo period, there was a firework manufacturer called Kagiya, and there was also a manufacturer called Tamaya that branched off from it. I'd like to portray their stories in novel someday. Well, I took some summer photos. Some of them will make you feel cooler. Please enjoy. It has been a few days since the cicadas began to sing, but the real summer heat has just started. Keep calm and carry on. Fireworks and the beautiful sea will be gone, just like a summer dream. Thanks for watching. See you soon.